Yo, I'm hyped, bro. I'm hyped as fuck for this week. I don't know why, but I just love trading, bro. 1 second. I just love trading, bro. Let's see if we get it set up today. It's been quite a while without any real setups, so I'm really curious to see. Let me send the stream to my Discord. 1 second. Boom. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, let me remove these because I don't trade them. And DAX, where's UK? Gold, I don't trade gold, but we're probably just gonna watch it. So let's see what Euro is doing. It's kind of looking bullish slightly, but I don't know if necessarily I want to be bullish because see we have this hourly inversion which we can very easily hold. So I don't feel like for now I don't really want to be bullish though. Don't really want to be bullish. I feel like we're gonna get that move lower. Do I want to trade it? Probably not entirely. You have buy sell liquidity getting raided, and we do have equal lows on Asia lows here. So yeah, we might be having a short, but I'm not sure if I want to take it though without seeing a 50-minute gap. Yeah, I don't can say I'm that confident in the range of just looking to short here, but we can have a bias. I did have a bias until this low, bro. Haven't even finished my coffee. Yeah, bro. I mean, it's London Open, so gotta start, bro. Gotta start. Let's see. Let me send my time to Bucharest. Where's Bucharest, bro? Bro, where's Bucharest, bro? Okay. Let's see. um, Looking at Geo here, we might be actually drawn towards this big ass 4 hour. But do I want to trade it? Probably not yet. Not yet. Again, same hourly inversion here at the top of the range. We don't really want to trade until that gets invalidated. Yeah, and we need the higher low. Yeah, definitely not necessarily something I would trade here. Would we actually be more down on being bearish? Not sure. So for me, bias here is kind of unclear. I don't really want to trade when bias is unclear on what we're gonna do. It's Monday anyway, so GBP are moving crazy. Yeah, they be moving like these. Usually kind of get printed through this Frankfurt Open moves, and usually they get printed through. But we're gonna see. Actually, this short isn't that bad. Look at this buy sell liquidity we have here, and we have this small 50-minute gap here. It's actually not bad. Let's see. Oof, I don't really like the USD pairs. We do have the solid draw on AU. This is similar to DAX, but we have a solid draw. We have this big ass hourly. Boom. Let's see. Big ass hourly we can potentially trade off of. Oh, this might be good, but I don't know about this buy side though. Asia low, yeah. I don't know if I wanna see something here, but it kind of looks like we're gonna print bearish here. Probably AU is the best for us to trade out of USD pairs because we have very solid draw, and he's the weakest as well. We already have this 50-minute getting printed here. The only thing I'm iffy about is this buy side, but this at this point this is so much buy side that usually doesn't act as liquidity. It's just like a block of orders. So we're gonna see. I don't know what this trade is. No, let me please don't reach in our liquidity. I still like this trade. Yeah, I like these shorts from yeah, look at this inversion at the top of the range. Yeah, but we already kind of displaced though. I actually still want to take these shorts towards this, but I don't necessarily know. Maybe if we get a retracement deep 30-minute FVG, we can potentially use this to be trading lower. But yeah, 50-minute range is really balanced here, sadly. Yeah, we're probably gonna be reaching into that early, which is quite sad. I really like this idea, bro. This dark shorts, but it's kind of looking like we're already reaching into our sell side, which is unlucky, but what can we do? Let's see. Ooh, I like this. Gotta do some coffee. So, oh, what did I read? Some reaction at the end of the session. Yeah, bro. Morning, bro. We're gonna see. Actually, this is also pretty decent on being bearish, but it's very weird, bruh. Very weird as fuck, bruh. But look at this. We have 50-minute gap. It's kind of small. I'll draw in here. So yeah, UK decent. Decent, I would say. We're probably reaching lower, even though it's it's very gross price action. So let's see what are we actually looking. Let's look UJ. Ooh, whoa. I like this though. Hell yeah. I like this actually. This is good. Look, 4 hour FVG here. I don't know, bro. I don't know what you mean, but and we also inversing this 4 hour. Yeah, this is clean. I like this. This is probably the best trade for today. Hourly breakaway inversion. Shoo. Looking to target this near low. I would say probably around this, but these wicks are kind of dangerous. This wicks. Let's see. I actually like this shit. I like this. This look like are they're low resistant. Let me try and see. We do have this big ass gap here. Yeah, this is good because buy sell liquidity into breakaway inversion and now printed. Yeah, this is good, bro. But what is our target? I would say just this. Generally, this inversion we cannot really. I wouldn't really anticipate us coming lower than this. But do we want to see this 4 hour inverse though before entering our trade with the hourly? Probably yeah. If we refine into the hourly, yeah. We probably don't really want to. Let's see. We'll see. So Euro kind of looks like it's gonna be very short winning structure. UK probably the best. DAX, AU, Euro and GU. Probably not gonna be looking at them. Gold is extremely fucking bullish. I don't trade gold anyways. I mean, for me it's 10 a.m. bro. It's pretty nice. Like in Romania, timings are really nice for trading. Let's think. I do like also this UK trade, but it's I don't like this. But overall, like if we just look at this price action, yeah, we're chilling. Yeah, DAX already be reaching into that, so pretty much our idea is just over. I like AUD shorts as well. Let me think about this UJ though, because we have really clean buy sell liquidity sweep into breakaway and gap here. But if we look at the hourly, we do have this big ass fucking inverse here, which I don't fully like. Gold is fucked, man. I'll be like almost done for London. Yeah. I mean Asia, yeah. I like trading Asia's pretty fucking. I don't know why he left so hard in Frankfurt though. It's kind of crazy. Let me think about this. Do I want to trade it? I mean, this is kind of the most pivotal area because inversion. This is the 4 hour looking to draw lower. But I would still like to see that getting mitigated though. Yeah, I like when we have something like this on midnight open. I mean, for my time, midnight open. They're very easy to draw towards. Very low resistant. I don't know. Let me think about this. I think it's good, but I'm not sure. You hyped? Yeah, kind of. I am hyped to trade, but as usual, I cannot force any trades. Yeah, I'm hyped, bro. I'm hyped. I gotta think here because they don't look that clean. I think UJ is sadly a bit forced because I cannot really trade into this hourly AVG, hourly inverse. Sadly. Fuck me, bro. And it's looking so fucking good. I mean, the only way I would really trade is like this and maybe like this, but it's forced, bro. This part here looks good if you wouldn't have the shitty ass context to the left. We gonna see, little bro. Yeah, bro, 4 trades are the biggest part, bro. Morning, bro, morning. How we doing? We're just looking for some trades if we have something. I do like this AU shorts though. They're very clear. Probably AU is the best here, but I'm not sure about the buy sell liquidity getting raided, so I'm just gonna be extra cautious. Like if we break like straight out of London Open, we can just take this shit. I wouldn't expect buy sell to get taken because it's so much liquidity and it's also an hourly AVG. So usually in these cases we don't really sweep. Probably AU is the best. UJ still 4 sadly. Context really fucks it out. Context really fucks it, so yeah. Context forced. I cannot short. Even though this part right here, Buy sell liquidity, this bar right here looks extremely good. Context here and the fact that we have hourly inversion, highly resistant area just fucks the trade. But yeah, it's all good though. This hourly as well. Yeah, maybe if we see this broken, but even if we see it broken, like it's too many zones here to see broken essentially. It's too many zones to see broken, but we're gonna see. We're gonna pay attention, but probably not. Not looking to trade it. AU yes, AU yes, I like AU. So yeah, this is what we're probably looking at. AU shorts. UJ does look good. Also UK shorts are decent. I wouldn't really like context again. I don't want to force. So there's just a lot of ways we can force trade. We can force trade in context. We can force entries. We can force risk. We can force timing. There's a lot of ways we can force trade. With USD, look at that for a sec. I mean, it's kind of looking like it's gonna short, but yeah, I don't like it here. It's too unclear. It's too unclear. Unless I see, like, if I see a 15-minute gap lower, I'm shorting. But I need to see. I need to wait for that. Pretty much. If I see a 15-minute gap lower, I'm shorting. If I don't, I don't. If we don't, we don't. USD sadly has potential, but really fucks it. We have a broad up here. I'm sad about this. It looks very good, but I don't know if I wanna force it. Probably not. It's just better to stick away. Like stick away. The fuck is that? Not trade it. Stick away. Yeah, but we're gonna watch it. I'm gonna take like a 5-minute break as usual before London Open, and we're gonna get ready to maybe trade this AU. AU is looking the cleanest here. Yeah, definitely AU. We be thinking about AU. AU's the cleanest, the one that doesn't look forced even with this buy side. Yeah, this is something I see a lot of times. So here, if we just break, oh, we already be breaking, but we cannot trade pre. Oh shit, we cannot trade pre-London. So this is what I'm gonna wait for. 5-minute break, and I'm gonna be back. Oh god damn, we already be breaking lower, bro. Just 5-minute break before London, and I'm gonna be back. I mean, I kind of have a plan already. Let me see. Let me take this shit off. I kind of have a plan here. I wouldn't really be trading at you unless we see like a big ass swing lower. Let me 1 second. Bro, finna miss market open. Nah, bro, I'm already here. I'm on point. I wouldn't short. I never really short of entries formed pre-London. This was a pretty decent entry lower if we think about it, but stop loss a bit big. I wouldn't short here. The only way I would short AU with this formation would be with a failed swing, and we come later on and mitigate this, and then take my entry. Yeah, that's pretty much it here. Even if we break, it's just too wide of a stop loss, and I'm not trading that shit. It's just forced, right? It's forcing an idea when there's not. Oh shit! What is this London Open? God damn, UK, you be tripping, bruddy. What is this? I mean, this is already technically a valid entry, but really, are we shorting on that wick? Nah, here we gotta wait for some structure. I think we're gonna pull back anyways towards that wick, retest it. Already look like a decent short, but our stop loss is not safe. Yeah, just the UK things, bro. UK on London Open. These pairs be tripping on London Open. Yeah, he's a menace. King Von. King Von of trading. Yeah, this looks like a good, but the same thing here. We're waiting on a retracement. If we get it, we get it. Oof, but it already looks good. $1.5, 1.3. It kind of looks good, but stop loss is massively unsafe here. It's unsafe, bro. I mean, it's a mitigate. It's not that unsafe. It's a mitigated PI, but we need to have our stop loss above the 50-minute AVG here. Yeah, we can do this shit. Even though it looks good, we need to wait for a retracement. We cannot do this shit, bro. I mean, it's decent. It's not like fully unsafe stop loss, but our stop loss should be here though, above this. Okay, UK, goddamn. UK, goddamn UK. Sad that DAX also reached into that sell side that I really like from Friday. Sad, but it is what it is. We're still waiting on. Oh, see, my goddamn! Imagine if I would have entered here, I would have been done already. I would have been out this already. UK a menace to society once again. This kind of looks like it's breaking though, UJ, but because of context, as I said, I'm not gonna be trading this. Context is too highly resistant, sadly. Maybe, I don't know, but sad. We're just waiting. Force trades never end well, and that's my only job, to not force trades. And if I don't force trades, I'm as a byproduct profitable pretty much. What is this volatility though? It's kind of rare to see this shit on AU. AU is generally in Asia and New York pairs, not really so much London. He's not as bad as gold, but it still is. Yeah, now we retrace into that, so now depends. If we inverse this shit, I might take it. This gap that we're forming now, if we inverse this, I might take it, even with a stop loss here, because now it's more safe and we have a lot more confluence that we're actually reaching into that. Yeah, just waiting. I mean, what can you do, bro? My love for trading is not really dependent on me trading. It's just, I love trading no matter what, no matter if I have setups, no matter if I don't. Just being here, like, I purely enjoy my existence. I just enjoy my existence when I'm, yeah, streaming, watching trades, no matter what, really something related to trading. I enjoy my existence. It sounds weird. Yeah, this shit look like it's breaking already. But we didn't even mitigate that 50-minute, which is weird, but sometimes this happens when we have an inversion, which we do have here, we do have here. Yeah. Let's demo this shit. Ooh. But it's very risky on this buy side, but let's just demo it for funsies. Market, so... Ding. Ding. I don't know, what are we targeting? I'll probably target this void. This void right there, 1.3. It's all good, gang. Yuki Stalin. Ooh, wait, I'm actually watching AU here. We might have this. I would take. This is not forced. Even though it looks a bit weird, it would not really be forced, I would say. Because we have sell side, pre-clear sell side. Oh, ooh. I forgot about our draw, but we need to see some shit. If this gets inverse, I'm taking it. Even with a stop loss here. Because if we break now, it's shrunken floors that we're not going to retrace and we're not going to come there and we're just breaking. Taking it here too risky now that we see the retracement, way better. Because it's equilibrium prices, almost. Let's see, Baran, you should join the streams, bro. Not the streams, the calls. We had like 2 calls this week. You should join them because they help you. Let's see this. I am considering this. If we have a strong break lower, I'm taking this shit. But we need to see that close. Otherwise, yeah, of course, invalidated. Where's AUD USD? Let me just calculate risk. Sell stop, the fuck? Okay. We need like 13 lots. 15 lots. Okay, 15 lots. 15 lots is crazy. Commissions are gonna fuck me. Yeah, weekends, bro. I think we're gonna do them in the week as well, but usually weekends. Like we have. Oh, whoa, whoa. Look at this retest. It's crazy, but of course we cannot trade this shit right there. Still AU. AU looks good here. If we inverse with momentum, yeah, looking good. Let's go for 30 lots. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Let's go, gang. I mean, with the stop loss here, I don't think we're even gonna try and reach that shit. Yeah, now it's looking good, but I'm waiting on one more candle. Even with this, I'm still waiting on one more candle. Oh, oh, it looks good as fuck. I think we can already take this. Let me think. Do I need to wait? I probably don't need to wait, but I do want to see. If we come back in the inversion, I'm just going to mark it, but I do want to see this candle close because, yeah, we might have this. This gap form here, and we usually form that, we're holding it lower. So meaning we should sacrifice a bit of R, but I'm taking that shit. Kind of closing it, but I still think the trade is good. I just want to see that retracement come in. A bit more I do want to see here. Yeah, shorting right there. Got filled pretty badly. But I saw the reaction, meaning we don't reach. $121. Let me see my take profit, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we're dealing with. I think generally I need to take my profit on Asian lows here because of my strategy, which I think really puts us at a 1R, which as usual, I'm fine with a 1R. Yo, let's see. Let me show you my... Oh, bro. Brody, we might hit TP and I don't even get to show you my trade. Bro. Get. Yeah, our TVs are a 1R here on Asian lows. It's looking good for now. Let's see. Where's my symbol? How the fuck do I open my symbol list? Bruh. How do I open my symbols? Show trade panel? Bro, what am I doing? I don't know how to open that shit. Can you guys tell me? How the fuck do I open? Let me do it on the second monitor though. Wait. I've been tripping sometimes. Let me see. How the fuck do I open my symbol list? Where's my symbol list, bro? You guys know how I open my symbol? Yeah, I'm trying, bro. I'm trying my best. Why you keep blaming me? I'm trying to open my symbol list. Yeah. But I don't know from what button. How the fuck do I open the symbols? I show you your profit, but I want to show you my pairs. Well, let me ask GBT. Fuck this shit. I mean, TP is probably already getting hit. How do I open my symbol list on MetaTrader 5? Control M. Oh. Yeah, we're kind of edging it. For now, we're edging it a bit, but trust in the process, gang. It's Control M, apparently. It kind of edged it because of spread, but we're staying confident. This is practice of discipline here. Yeah. That was it, I guess. That was our London once again, like couple of fucking minutes. That's all it takes, I guess. Bro, I can never get fucking bored of how I'm trading, bro. When my TP gets hit in 5 fucking minutes, I can never get bored of this shit, bro. Like never, bro. I can never get bored of this. I guess a dubsy is a dub. Good thing I marketed here, because if I would have had a limit order on that shit, bruh. And again, I need to take my take profit on Asian lows. I don't look to stretch because I'm still giving price room to reverse of Asian lows for no reason. 1R is 1R still. Fucking crazy, bro, how I be trading. It's still unreal. Like, I cannot ever, bro, get bored of how I'm trading right now, bro. Like, every time, like, hitting your TP in a couple of fucking candles is the best feeling you can ever have. Even if it's only a 1R. I feel like here, maybe our stop loss could have went here, but, yeah, still chilling. Nice one, man. Yeah, thank you, bro. It's clean, bro. That's all I need. Like, this is what I be doing every fucking day. And it's been working until now. Let me see. But my account doesn't update yet. My account is stuck. I just wanted to show you. We were at minus 0.05 because of 2 break evens, and now, yeah, I'm at 0.058 because we had 2 break evens and I got minus 0.5 just because of fucking commissions and shit. But yeah, still chilling. This is the first double of the phase 2. Commission, let me see. Let's see here. Commission 75. It's not that much actually. If you think about it, for 15 lots, it's like 0.1% pretty much. Yeah, it's 0.1%. I had profit 600, which is 1.2, and minus 0.15. It's like, yeah, it's a 1.1. I think it's decent. It's not that much commission considering we're 15 lots in, but this is just how I trade. I need to accept this as part of my trading. But yeah, like that easy. It looks easy, but it's still unreal, bro. Like sometimes I cannot ever get used to hitting TPs like this. Previously I've been holding my trades for 2 hours and a half. Now I'm getting TP most of the times in 5-6 minutes, which is crazy if you think about it. Because if you think about it, when this account is gonna turn live, it's $600 in 6 minutes, bro. Which is still fucking crazy though. It still is pretty fucking crazy. Let's see the other pairs. But yeah, Of course, like we're at this point, we're pretty much done for London. We yeah, look at this demo trade that we had. At this point, we're pretty much done. This is what we need to be doing every single day. Could have stretched a bit more. Is that really how I trade now? I take my profit on the first objective, Asian lows. Yeah, let's journal this shit real quick. It's not hard to journal, but I think the little room for improvement, it could have come here, and that would have gave us another 0.5. Long term, still the safest probably here. But yeah, let's journal this shit. Reaction time, yeah, let me just journal, bro. Two reactions. But 15 minutes? Bro, it's still crazy, bro. Like I'm not, it's still hard for me to get used to this shit. Like being done in 15 minutes out of London Open generally is still, yeah, it's still pretty fucking weird. It's still weird to get used to, bro. Hard time frame profile. What did we have here on the hard time frame? I mean, we just bearish. Like we had very clear drawn liquidity and we were bearish of hourly gap. That was the hard time frame profile. Extremely bearish of a 1 hour gap, very clear drawn liquidity. That's what, yeah, that's how I usually trade. I need a very clear drawn liquidity. 15-minute, we didn't even have, I mean, we were leaving off this 15-minute gap here out of open. So yeah, we were leaving off this 15-minute gap out of open, and then our entry, it was interesting. I could have probably gotten a way better R if I would just like straight out the bat. You know, I said this when I was executing because we might form a 1 minute gap here, and that's usually what we hold. Yeah, that's kind of exactly what happened here. But like a failed swing for me means a retracement into equilibrium prices of the range, and then we inverse, and entry was taken a bit lower because I marketed, but it's still all good though. It's still a decent entry. Failed swing, entry taken on the inverse, was patient to see how price behaves if we want to see higher prices into the inverse. I mean, it's not like on wins journaling is not even necessary. I would say it's not even that great because you don't really learn much. Good 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 yeah, could have we anticipated this long term? Now this is my idea. It's not yeah, it's just being consistent. This is how I turn profitable, even if price now keeps running towards like a 10 fucking hour. I couldn't have anticipated this, and yeah, I will keep trading like this because this is how I trade. What did I want to say? How can I improve? Maybe the only thing I would say can improve is stop loss could have come a bit below that shit. What? Stop loss could have come a bit below. Wait, what is happening with my Notion? Bro, have a good boy list to answer. Yeah. I mean, it's just like for fun. There's nothing pretty much to say. Stop loss could have came above that initial inverse. Bro, what is happening? It just keeps I'm not even gonna write anything, bro. Like it just keeps deleting my my text. What is this? Like a failed trending Asia. Failed trending Asia date Monday duration like 6 minutes. That's crazy. Failed swing plus inverse. Entry time 10:09. Okay. R1. Potential R for now. Potential R would have been like a 3.3, which is still crazy though. Yo. Oh, okay. Something's not right. Okay. Risk 1, intuition liked it. Confluences, we had hourly plus 50-minute. Yeah, where's hourly? 50-minute per whatever. Funded gain 1%. I mean, actually 1.1. Ah, yeah, this could have been taken on the personal, but I didn't really have time to be taking it on the personal. Gap to gap, idea, continuation, mistake none. Performance 10. Oh, 0. Okay. None. Yeah, that was our trade pretty much. Very clean, very easy, done quickly, and that's it. Stop loss was here. Ain't no way this could. I mean, what do you mean this is much, bro? This is little. This is like This is the bare minimum, bro. It's data. What do you mean? You don't journal? You should be roasted, bro. If you don't journal, you need to be crucified or some shit. There's no way you're not journaling, bro. Look at this shit. There's no way you're not journaling. And this is a very shallow journal. If I show you one of my journals where I actually fucking study, let me see if I can show you one big ass fucking journal where I studied hard. Yeah, I have journals that take 2 hours to make though. Hey, ain't no way, cuz you're not doing this shit though. Like, how are you even improving, brody? I mean, these are pretty shallow. This is not even much. I did have one where I took like 3 hours to to journal, but yeah, this is just like normal. Cuh, what are you doing, cuh? Shut your bitch ass up. Bruh, you be trolling if you don't journal. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Let's look. UJ now looks good. Tilwood and short. Yeah. What reaction do we want to look at? Should we look at our degenerate favorite degenerate trader? Oh yeah, let me post this as well on my. Let's not forget, cause this is my routine. I don't give a fuck about your reactions. If you keep flaming me, I'm not gonna do any reactions, bro. Let me post this shit. Cause yo, I need to be having kind of like a track, not like a track record, but I need to be posting. Yeah, on my YouTube and on my Discord. Shut your bitch ass up, bro. That is the most legendary meme ever. Man, shut your bitch ass up. Shut your bitchy ass up, brody. What do you want to react to, bro? Just tell me. Do you want to react to the degen trader or do you want to react to something else? Okay. Roast every day. Yeah, bro, you be roasting me every day, but I don't mind. It's actually fun. It makes things a bit more fun. You be roasting me every day. You gotta find a reason to roast me. Either my PC, L Smoker, or some shit. You gotta find to roast me. But I don't mind it. It's fun. Master Rage Baiter. That's how I would call you. Master Rage Baiter. Definitely. You be looking to rage bait. Hella rage baiting. Master Rage Baiter. First dub of the phase 2 account. Currently at 0.6%. Okay. Master fucking Rage Baiter, bro. You be tripping hella. You be tripping hella. Boom. 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 That's it. Let's see our degen trader. He definitely be trading right now at this point. Degens, please. What the Degens, please, Degens. How the fuck that guy called? Degens, please. I don't know if this guy been trading. Has he been trading? Let's see. Oh, we didn't see this. Let's see our favorite trader. He looks really focused today. He might actually be a good trader today. Oh, he's sitting good, bro. What are your predictions? What do you think this guy's gonna reach by the end of this video? Is he gonna go up in balance, or is he gonna go down, or is he gonna be break even? What is your prediction on this one? I really want to hear your predictions. Give me your predictions on his balance and how much is he gonna take until he takes a trade. This guy will not take much. I would say this time 7 minutes and a half. Yeah, will do, bro. Will do. Wait 1 second. If he's a gambler, we're gonna do reactions. Let me just see. We're probably gonna do it after this one though. Cutie how? Oh my god, why does this already look like a DJ and fucking trader? As an unprof, so I saw this video in my recommended. I'm actually curious about how this guy is trading. I saw this video a lot of times pop up in my recommended. I don't know why my YouTube is stalling a bit, but yo.
Oh my goodness.
What the fuck is that? What is that?
Oh my goodness.
TikTok live studio? The fuck? You stream it on TikTok? Wait, this is what platform is this? Alpha Tix? And he's minus 4%. Why are you trading a 100k account as an unprofitable trader though, gang? Like seriously. You should be trading fucking personals up to $100, not fundeds. Not this big at least. I traded as an unprofitable trader. I traded 6k accounts and 5k accounts for like 2 years and a half. Let's see what this guy doing. Yeah, let's see how
Cooked.
I mean, let's see. Break even. I mean, he's not actually doing that bad. He's doing decent. He's under risking a lot though. He's pretty much risking very little, I would say. This is barely a 1% on 2 trades. He's not doing that bad. He's kind of breaking even, to be honest. He's kind of breaking even at most. I mean, if we look at this and profit is he's profitable, but he's breaking even pretty much.
It's right, okay, but
Wait.
I got cooked.
You got cooked?
It's
He had a 1.3 win, break even, and what is this? Minus 0.5. You could have just stopped though, innit? So wait, time in? What are these? It's duration. Where is doesn't he show the time he took his trade? I don't know this guy. This is the first time. I mean, I've seen him pop up in my feed.
yesterday I did end up taking a W, bro, because I took a nice little
This platform is nice though. It's kind of crisp.
short
I'm gonna lie.
after stream.
What do you think is gonna happen here? I see this, but I think we're probably gonna buy off this AVG though. But he's not trading here anyways, or is he?
So right now, I want to just wait to see if we hit either level or area of interest. I was funded, but
I mean, how are you classifying this and this as same liquidity though? These are not. This is good liquidity. This is internal liquidity. This is external, kind of external, and this is internal. I mean, they don't hold the same
I
relevance.
gotta work on that again.
They don't really hold the same relevance in terms of trading off them.
I don't know why Kudos.
Let's see where he takes the trade. I mean, even here, if it takes this low, are you seriously trading against this inversion? And that, where is it? This 50-minute gap, isn't it more likely to be shorting here?
No, I don't like you anyways. Yo, what up, D Wolf?
How long has he been trading? Do you guys know how long has he been trading? Support an unprofitable day trader. Wow, you are the worst trader I've ever seen. Nah, certified haters, bro. Let's see, where is he gonna trade? I'm really curious what he's gonna take. He's still not trading yet, which is good. Like, see, there's already like such a big difference, bro. It's such a big difference compared to the DJ trader. He's been sitting 20 minutes without taking any trade and waiting for his setup. So he's already way better than this fucking DJ right there. He's already way better. This looks 3 years. I feel like why is he playing Clash Royale though? Bruh, this guy, bro. Nah. Why the fuck, bro? When you play Clash Royale on your PC, look at how focused he is on goofy ass 12-year-old game, bro.
Wow, that guy just got destroyed.
You think so? You think so? I would say that he's watched him for long enough Okay, okay. Let's see. But Clash Royale while waiting for a trade is crazy still.
Perfect. When are you announcing the Alpha Futures winners? I'll probably do it after today, like later today.
What he's patient though.
Like I said, if we end up breaking above this high to my left, then I'll be looking for continuation towards the upside. If not,
Is rage bait? Yeah. Well, I mean, looking for continuations above a taken high is extremely fucking risky unless you see like a 50-minute gap or some shit. Check the last trading stream where he started flexing muscles. Isn't this the stream though? But I don't want to see his trade. Let me see. I don't want to see if he's taking a trade here or not.
let's take our.
Where do I see if he took a trade? He didn't yet, right?
Get out this high.
Wait. That's a limit? What the fuck is this limit? Wait, what? What is this limit, bro? What are you limiting on? Like, that doesn't make any fucking sense. Why you place a limit there? What the fuck?
I don't think we're gonna fill the chat.
What the fuck? Why are you not market executing over the break lower though? If you want to short, like, why aren't you market executing here? What is this purpose of this sell limit? It makes no fucking sense though.
I don't think we're gonna fill the chat.
You're not gonna get filled, and if you get filled, you're gonna
have
be
an
it's gonna be a L, bro. This guy be placing random limit orders though. Why are you not market executing on
There's a chance it
inversion?
will fail. Slight small chance though, in my opinion.
Wait.
Remember, you guys, do not copy me. Do not copy my trade.
I mean, why you say that, bro? Used to be in this server, yeah. Oh, so you know him like personally, in a sense.
There's a chance it will fail. Slight small chance though, in my opinion.
Slight small chance it will fail. Having a sell limit in a place that doesn't make any sense with a shallow sweep on liquidity, bruh.
Small chance.
Small
Do not
chance.
copy me.
Even he's knowing that this. Look at his face. Even he's knowing that this is gonna be a no. Small chance is gonna lose, bro. While his face is like this.
Of course.
Bro, this guy already knows. He's
So
just,
I don't know.
yeah, what?
Mind an entry, but it's just like the order block is getting tagged right now. So right here, I wouldn't mind an entry, but it's just like I haven't back tested on the 5 minute, so I don't know.
I don't know. Why did he sound like a Chad? Like a fucking surfer Chad?
It's getting tagged right now. So right here, I wouldn't mind an entry, but it's just like I haven't back tested on the 5 minute, so I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. This guy's funny, bro.
It's a strap, bro. And plus, I'll be entering off a 15-minute wick here also, which could act as a gap.
How the fuck is a 50-minute wick acting as a gap, though? Bro, yeah, why is everyone hating on him, though? I mean, maybe he's trying his best. And now, wait. Alright, that's a stop loss, okay.
This matches perfectly with OTE, bro.
OT of what, bro? This is
Bro,
the
hard.
weakest fucking range I've ever fucking seen in my life. There's no way you're trading. This is a clear fucking retracement. It's so obvious, bro. Like, look at this shit. Like, it wouldn't really take too much working brain cells to figure this shit out, bro. Like, look at this shit. Look at this healthy range. Why? Look at this displacement. Look at this fucking retrace like range. Isn't it clear that this is a retracement when you see fucking candles like this? You see no gaps lower. Isn't this clear that it's a retracement and we just came to respect this order block and we're reaching higher into this liquidity? Are you seriously trading off a liquidity sweep that barely doesn't fucking exist? Like, I don't know. He's still trying to be smart every day. He's doing this to gain more followers, so he can stream to gain more followers. Okay, is that let me act like I don't know what I'm doing so I can rage bait? I mean, yeah, bro, but I feel like it's so, I don't know, like doing things purposely for followers is like so, I don't know, it's just so dog shit, bro. It's so dog shit. Let me rage
Should we
bait
look
everyone so
closely lining
I
up
gain cloud.
5-minute order block, 5-minute inversion fair value gap?
This is garbage. It's a garbage trade. I'm not gonna lie about that. This is fucking garbage. It just came for this order block. Why are you shorting? No displacement. Very small gap. Like nothing, bro.
Edge me.
I don't know if he's rage baiting or he's just like garbage. I'm not trying to. Oh shit! You scared me.
Bro, we just got edge, bro. Holy. You know what, Coop? It's completely fucking fine.
Yeah. This guy fucking knocked out his microphone.
It's completely fucking fine.
Nah, this guy be rage baiting off an edge on a no sense entry. Bro, people legit join his streams to take trades in the opposite direction. Yeah, the same as Danny's trades. They be using this guy as a liquidity. Bro, you're not gonna get edge, you're gonna get stopped out, bro. Goofy has punch. And look at this, this is such a bullish close here. I don't know why I feel like he's gonna execute right here because he's getting FOMO'd. like seriously, like in this case, if you actually look at it, it's such a clear drawn liquidity where he's putting his stop loss. Like you cannot be trading off like non-ironically off sweeps like that, bro. That's just more liquidity getting stacked on the highs. Yeah, $1 million deal. Bro acting like he missed $1 million deal. To be honest, this guy is a meme, bro. Like legitimately, he's legitimately like being liquidity for the buyers and for the true buyers of this market, bro. Wait.
Goodness, man. I waited all that time just to not get filled and get edged by the stupid freaking candle, bro. I actually want to punch like the wall, bro.
Punch it, bro. Don't be a bitch. Ooh, that's a clean retest there. I mean, I'm interesting that he's not like FOMOing it. Watch his shit videos. I don't want to see what he's doing here. Is he gonna execute? Is he gonna do some shit like stupid shit? My fucking browser is lagging. I don't know why. He's just gonna be mad at this.
That it hurts, and you broke me first.
This guy, bro. Yeah, he actually got fucking edged. Nice muscles, bro.
I hate this game so much. I want to eat so much McDonald's.
I mean, nice, bro. You're shredded.
Bro, chill.
Nah, this guy, bro. What video do you guys like is funny? How to turn his fucking gambling as well? Yeah. What video? Bang her today? I actually watched this. Oh, I did watch this. Actually, I remember this though. Broke the losing streak. I lost. What should we watch though? The second most popular one? Wait. This one? Day in the life of a profitable day trader? This one? Just making sure. This is the one you won? Yeah, he's sitting in that big hole all day. Realistic day in the life, he eating fucking McDonald's, bro. I have, bruh. The shorts? Oh, okay.
Oh, why are you?
Oh, you told me about this, like, about this. Why are you riding shorts with zero?
It's this fucking day.
Listen, the markets are not fucking random, right? According to ICT, Inner Circle Trading, Smart Money Concepts, the owner of ICT, Michael Huddleston, the markets are all algorithmic and it is not fucking random. Look, we have S&T at the highs. Oh, look at that, a fair value gap right here. Markets are not random. We are shorting this bitch right here. Target 2R. Place order? Oh shit. Oh shit, yeah. No.
Oh, why are you
What the fuck? That's weird though. But I don't want to see his streams though. Streams? I want to see if he I want to see. Yeah, I just want to see a trade. I want to see him trade though. But I kind of want to see this as well.
This is March 13th.
Like, look at bro. It looks like he's living like in a fucking I don't know,
2024,
Sasquatch.
and right
What
now
am I
it is
saying?
about 8 o'clock. It's in about 30 minutes and just please. Oh, I'm pretty bearish going into the morning. 4 hours about to break structure to the downside. 1 hour.
Wait,
bearish,
is this actually being bearish?
going
Not
to
bad though.
Pretty bare minute. I'm getting a lot of like subscribers and likes, and I appreciate you guys a lot. I know I said that like yesterday, but still, I appreciate you guys up there even. Well, I haven't taken anything yet. Handle closure to the I got. I was short buys like I said. Price is dumping. Fair value gap.
Bro. Wait.
I was short buys like I said.
Short buys, like I said, proceeds to fucking buy 2 minutes later into this big ass gap, bro.
Liquidity, break of structure, fair value gap. This is a basic 2022 model. Just gonna see what happens here. All right, guys, we just got done taking.
Wait, he actually did take that tape. I wouldn't have bought this shit.
Trade. This is a
No
pretty good
fucking
trade.
way.
I just took all of my positions out. I only had one contract. Only trading with one NQ.
Wait, I would have expected this to fail, bro.
Yo, what is up, everybody?
Wait.
Ah.
The fuck?
Up about $500. Be done trading.
How
I
did
needed-
this shit
Whoa,
fucking win? I think that was pretty lucky though, still.
Yeah, it played out well. Made about 111 ticks off of that, but
Yeah, he said 22 model on this.
pretty.
Yeah, this is not the 22 model, gang. The 22 model
see if
is a market structure shift model, not an inversion though. But yeah.
Won't take it anymore after this big expansion.
This is not bad, but you should have taken it here. Look at this inversion. Or, yeah, here this is a breakaway, but here? Why you not taking that, gangy, on this inversion? I don't know what this is. Probably some sort of POI. Social liquidity range is pretty balanced. It should be fine.
Down here, I just don't want to take anything right now. I'm good. So basically, what I saw was that we had a 4 hour. Looks like we tapped this 4 hour.
Yeah, this was
EPR
clean, bro. Why didn't you take this shit, bro? 4-hour inversion?
Here, taps value gap.
Yeah.
And also,
Look at that reaction. God damn, why are you not
tap
trading this?
equilibrium here. Tap the equilibrium and structure so in line with.
Then why you not taking this? I would have taken the hell out of that shit. Even with this incomplete close, I wouldn't really care. Maybe on this break
Coming
again,
down,
lower.
They haven't broken structure yet. What I could have done was enter off this inverse fair value gap, but I wasn't too sure yet. So I was.
How wasn't you too sure? You have a 4-hour inversion, bro. You would advise a liquidity sweep. You don't need perfect entries when you have like such strong
Waiting for a
context.
break of structure here. We could see low a day here again. Trade is that today. All right, guys. I just got done taking this quick scalp here. Literally the quickest scalp of my life. Basically, what happened was we had the CE of the wick. This is a chance of revert.
Was the live trading he did the day before? Yeah, let's see. I think this is one. This one, no? This one? Or yeah, this one. Day trading live as a this one. Let's see. Q is liquidity. Yeah, this guy is rage baiting, bro. Like, look at his name. I didn't even realize his name. He's actually is liquidity. I feel like he's rage baiting, definitely. And how the fuck are you getting sponsored by Alpha Futures, though? And my funded futures? Can I do that shit as well? Go near the end.
Catch the rejection block. I did not catch it.
Please don't tell me he's gonna buy here.
Correction, bro. That's fucked up, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Your bucks, bro.
I mean, I don't know what this liquidity is, but I wouldn't buy here.
I think you should retire the 1 minute and stick to the 1 hour 5 minute minimum. Nah.
Wait.
If you said if you're going the opposite direction, this turns into extra comments. No, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, bro. It is funny, bro. The comments were fucking hilarious, bro. He's like, for people join to inverse. Bro.
Oh, here, okay.
See, can we get filled?
50, yeah, 55, 55, 20. I kind of ironically skipped exactly to that part. Wait, let's understand his trade before judging. I mean, this is probably a hard time for him high. Yeah, but bruh, you cannot be entering like this, bro. You cannot. You need to stop being liquidity gang. Like, first of all, yes, you do have a bearish gap, but this bearish gap doesn't really mean something when you haven't closed fully below this inversion. Most importantly, this order block, like we all know that we watch ICT, we know that in bullish order flow, down candles are gonna get respected. And look at this shit. This down candle is within another down candle. So unless you see this shit break, like why this is where you should have traded. Why are you shorting like this, bro? Yeah. Like, this is irrelevant. This really means nothing unless you see this getting close below and actually this. Like, bruh.
Oh, fuck. We're filled.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, we're filled, chat. But I'll tell you.
I mean, yeah, just for fun, bro. I mean, yeah, I know you're not DJs, but it's fun. For me, it's fun to explain and look at charts and trying to break down his trades. Yeah, he's done those. His face says it all. It's kinda, I don't know.
Alright, bro.
Alright, bro. I'm out.
Alright, bro.
And this is the trade that he took after 50 minutes of waiting. Yeah, he's Niger, bro. He's Niger. It's him. The guy that took 2 hours today. Niggun. Bro, I cannot say. I can just tell. How much did I miss? We just took this dub on open, and we just keep reacting after this happened. So yeah, we just took a 1 hour on London Open, and now we're chilling. Let me check the other pairs as well. Oh, UK actually played off this inversion. I was thinking about that shit though. Interesting. Could have been a trade. Let's see UJ. It did also play. Okay, UJ also played of that. Ooh, it actually played my idea pretty much perfectly here of that. Where is it? Of this inversion at the top of the leg here. This could have been a trade, but sadly context was too forced. I get 2R in again a couple of minutes. Of what? What do you mean of what? Of a 50-minute AVG. Hourly AVG into 50-minute AVG, and then I just waited for London to open. We got the inverse, and I market executed here into Asian lows. Yeah, pretty much not a very complicated trade. Oof, DAX been melting. Let's see Euro. Euro still bullish. Good thing I didn't want to execute this shit. And same with GU. GU might reach into this. This can have some potential, but we're gonna see. And we just been reacting since this guy's a DJ. I kind of want to see my favorite DJ though. There's no one really, no one really comes to this guy's level, bro. No one really comes to this guy's level. Yeah, dubsies. Let's see this guy, bro. Wait, how many minutes do you guys think this guy is gonna take until he executes the trade? As I said before, 7 minutes and a half, I would say. What are you guys' predictions? Yeah, no one beats Danny, bro. Like, that is the pure source of entertainment. This guy is nah. Yeah, he's my favorite trader. Yo, Elite, bro, I haven't seen you in a while, bro. How are you doing, bro? How you doing, Elite? I haven't seen you in a while. I actually was thinking about you yesterday, though. Just for fun. I was thinking, what is this guy doing? I should DM him, but then I forget to DM you.
Alright, then we don't have anything else.
Nah. I mean, bro, you're gonna see. You're gonna see. You're gonna find out really quick. Oh, he's already 3 minutes. He's taking it straight.
The shorts do look good.
How are the shorts looking good, bro? Of what? Yeah. How is the shorts looking good? What are you seeing here, Gengi? On a 1 minute, probably.
The shorts do look good.
He was like, he was legitimately forcing ideas in his head and trying to look for any fucking reason to be looking at shorts. That's why he took time to think.
Good. decently good, but we don't have anything at the top over here.
Bruh.
All right, I'm gonna start hitting into the shorts possibly here.
Hitting into
Short.
the shorts, no strategy, no nothing. Like this guy, this is a record. 2 minutes in.
I'm gonna get into the shorts here. Only two cons. Remember how I told you guys yesterday that I'm not gonna go like heavy size anymore.
Fact that you don't go heavy size doesn't fucking change anything if your trades are dog shit.
Start on the first trades. I'm gonna go very light. So
Look at this 1
24,
minute gap.
7-4 is my.
I'm curious, does this guy have any fucking knowledge about ICT or like zero?
Me on this 7. I'm going for. But to really put in perspective, I mean, we don't have anything. I mean, we do.
Only
have,
2 cons, guys. Only like 1K of the account. Only like 10% of the account, guys. It's not like it's light. It's not light, you know what I mean? It's not.
This here, which it's interesting,
The imaginary trend zone.
but it's not like.
Nah, he's
Look
getting
for what
stopped
we have
out.
next.
Yo,
So-
only 2 cons, guys. This is 5 cons. This is not 2 cons. This is 5 cons. He's already minus 10%, bruh.
We did risk 100 ticks on that, but it looks like we're above 50%. We might want to see that level.
He entered again. Nah.
You're
Bro, this guy never fucking improves, bro. Never improves, bro.
percent. I know we had that level locked in. 72 or 72. That's
And first of all, why did he close? Because if he would have held his initial position above the high, he wouldn't have been stopped out, bruh. Why didn't you hold?
percents there. We did reject. You guys can dump here. We're only gonna play
You just hopes and prayers.
second trade loss. That's fine.
He said he was going light, bro. He said he was going light. He already lost 2K in 2 fucking trades. He already lost 20% of the account in 2 fucking trades in 5 minutes of starting the stream. Is
That
crazy.
was some interesting stuff there. I'm glad I'm not going heavy. So I went heavy. I did have a hard stop on that. So I'm not really a little bit because now we're going to all-time highs.
Yeah, this is hella fucking bullish.
I don't
Look at
wanna
this.
get-
Why you be shorting, gang? At least wait for the high to get taken. I feel like this guy has no fucking clue, bro,
Screwed
what
up
he's
even
doing.
more. Very strong. I TP'd on that.
Oh, wait. He bought?
I'm just gonna try to play. All right, I'm putting my stop to break even. Beat on that slowly.
So he's trading 1 minute candle, and in that 1 minute candle, he's putting his stop loss to break even, which is still
Yeah, come
fucking
back
crazy,
slowly.
bro.
To possibly into this again here.
He's getting it again.
A little under break even. Let's put a little under.
Let's put a little under.
A little under break even.
He keeps moving his stop loss, bro. Hi, bro. Welcome to the stream. You can hear him moving his stop loss lower and lower. Just listen. Just listen. Just listen.
Stock goes to break even. A little under break even. Let's put a little under. A little under break even.
He moved his stop loss like 10 fucking times. He kept dragging it like this. I just hear of his sound. He kept dragging it like this, making it lower and lower.
Yeah, because these shorts really now is fine. I'll keep it at 90. These shorts might just.
He's
pull
not
through.
even a little below break even at this point, bruh. And imagine how heavy he's going. Isn't this like a 1 minute candle? Like couple ticks and he's, bruh.
We're back to where we were down. Short.
Bye, bro.
Ooh,
Bye,
we
bro.
kinda look-
Bye, bro. Bye, bro. Look at
we
this
can
gap,
get
bro.
This drop here.
What's good, bro? What's good, bro? Welcome to the stream. How you doing today?
We can stay under that split.
What did he do? He bought. I mean, buying. He shorted. Oh, never mind. The buy is not bad because if we look in terms of ICT, he's just respecting that gap. We broke above the high. This is decent, but
93.
He's heavy. He's fucking heavy on this.
Probably better entry on that.
Wait. He
Here.
got.
Break even. Yeah. I'll find a better entry on that.
So in 11 minutes, this guy fucking, yeah. US market's looking rough. Let's see. I haven't looked at Nasdaq and the others. Where is it? Nasdaq looking rough. I wouldn't say necessarily rough. It's just like trading at all-time highs, isn't it? That's what I see. But I think, yeah, I still see buys here. Let's see SPX. Yeah, and they're pretty decent though. US30 is the weakest. US30 might sell here. But they're not that bad. A bit choppy. But I wouldn't say necessarily bad. What do you mean? Do you mean Nasdaq, SPX, and US30 by US markets, or what do you mean? Yeah. So it ended up, RTP here ended up being pretty decent because we ended up reacting. Could have been a bit lower, but let's see UK. UK also massive fucking reaction of these lows. You mean gold? Yeah. Yeah, it's looking good for buys here. It's looking good, but I would just wait for this inversion though to fully confirm. Like it's just bullish order flow. Like 4-hour gap. Gold pumping, not a good sign. Why? I think it's just initiating after grabbing all these orders here. If you look at higher time frame, I actually like this price action. I really like how gold moves on higher time frame. Should we probably swing in gold? Just like one of my models here, range, initiation, mitigation, continuation. This is fucking clean, bro. Let me look at this shit. I always show this model, but it's something like, if you guys, yeah, just look at this shit and you're gonna see it happen pretty often. It's a range, initiation, mitigation, continuation. Look at this, and this is different times. This different time frames. This is 4-hour. This is 50-minute or some shit. ES and NQ, yeah, but this is pretty much identical. Not a good sign for US markets. I don't know. I don't know about that though. I don't know. I have no idea of fundamentals or shit like that. This was clean as fuck though, these buys, but yeah, this looks like a potentially good continuation of this cap though. You ain't even there to trade gold. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not that good to be trading gold, gang. Gold has been fucking destroying me. Or why would I trade it, bro? I'm letting you fucking destroy it. I'm destroying my AUD USDs and my DAX and shit. Yeah, I'm letting you. You do you. Me? Hell no. I mean, if I would have timing like you to be able to trade gold in Asia, it would be decent, definitely. But most of the times it just fucking manipulates like grossly, and intraday is not very clean if you look at price. It's most of the times just Asia. Continuing the trend set of Asia. Even here, we set the trend bullish on Asia, we continue it towards London. Here we set the trend of Asia on being bearish, we continue it through London. Here we set the trend, we continue it, then we kind of came and sweep. But yeah, it's just weird. Weird as fuck. Let's see. What did I want to check? Yeah, gold at all-time highs. We gotta see if it holds this gap. This is gonna be a very pivotal point for gold. Because if we inverse this hourly, we're pretty much coming here, or maybe even here somewhere. You're scared of the big boy gold. But it kind of looks like a decent continuation of this and the low sweep. Yeah, we're gonna see. And the US markets like Nasdaq and these pairs, if we look at SPX and US30, they're more likely to be bearish, but Nasdaq looks pretty decent on being bullish though. Because I feel like it's kind of initiating bearish here. We might come for all the sell side. We might come for this again. There's a lot of orders stuck there. Like me looking at here. And we also have this. Like if this shit gets inversed, we're reaching lower. But for now, look at this inspection. That's pretty clean. We respected it bullish. So I would wait on either side here. If I would be trading McDonald's index. Yeah. Does it exist? Oh wait, it actually exists. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go, gang. Yeah, I'll be trading out here. I would wait on a liquidity rate like above these highs, and I would take these shorts of this inversion here. Nah, bro. But can we at McDonald's? MACD. Oh wait, what? Yeah, I mean it's a stock, no? On NQ. I mean, why? We're bullish though. 4-hour AVG. I would wait for this. Like if this gets inverse, it's pretty much clear that we're gonna be bullish. But why would you be bearish? Just because of gold? Or what? Because I don't, I mean, till we close below here, I wouldn't really be, yeah, bearish. Oops. Yeah, but these are interesting though. Do we have trades on MACDs? Yeah, me too, bro. No more you, no more none of that shit going full-time MACDs. No more none of that, bro. Just full-time MACDs, bro, from now on. But is it actually opportunities? I feel like it's so weird. I never really truly understood how people trade only like market open like this. I mean, it's interesting, but yeah, you really gotta base yourself a lot of market open. Let's see, we would have wanted to see shorts of that I don't know what that shit is. But it's actually not moving bad, to be honest, if you think about it. But yeah, it's based a lot of market open though. I mean, it's only one session though. It's weird. I know Uman Ashraf is trading this shit. I know he's trading SPY stocks. I mean, SPY isn't SPY. What the fuck is this, brody? Isn't he trading SPY is SPX, no? Or am I tripping? Yeah, he's trading this shit, and I know that guy is pretty fucking good. Divergence on the RSI. I don't even have RSI, bro. I don't think I can add it. So yeah, I cannot add it sadly. Maybe if I can change my layout. Can I change my layout? How the fuck do I do that shit? Oh yeah. Yeah, I can probably add it here. Oh my god, my eyes are fucking burning. Divergence? Which one? This one or this one? I would say probably this one. But isn't this like buy? Like it's showing like it's below. This is where you would want to buy though, isn't it? I treated RSI when I was a beginner, but isn't this where you want to buy? Because you see it's overextended on the bearish part and you want to buy, I would say, yeah, towards this high, at least these highs. Because for me looks yeah, it looks overextended, even the RSI is kind of showing it. Or the other index. Oh wait, wait, I was checking SPX, but it's the same with Nasdaq though. Why? Like, isn't this on RSI? You wouldn't really, wouldn't you be buying here though? Because that's how I remember I'll be trading RSI. When price comes here, I would be buying. Higher time frame. Oh yeah, I was on 5 minute. My bad. Like even a 4 hour. 4 hour doesn't. Oh yeah, on the 4 hour it's overextended, but. Oh yeah, I was on the 5 minute. But yeah, hourly we're kind of in the middle though. I wouldn't really use RSI though. I feel like it's kind of a lagging indicator. I wouldn't really use RSI to dictate what I'm gonna do. And bought when it was in the middle. Wait, so you use higher time frame and bought when it was the middle did not hit TP? What do you mean, middle of what? Of RSI? I mean, we're just equilibrium. Like, why would we expect to randomly switch trend if we don't have? We're in a 4 hour AVG. It's just more likely. I mean, that's my view on things. I'm not saying that's gonna be right, but in my eyes, it's just like we're more likely to just continue bullish unless we inverse. If we inverse, that's when I would say we're switching trend. That's just my view. I don't know. Open anyway. Yeah. I would still see us being bullish, at least towards, I don't know, the CVG maybe. It's a bit dangerous, the CVG at Asian highs here. But yeah, let's see. Oof, UK fucking flew. And I think on the retest here, yeah, we retested it pretty cleanly. Pretty clean retest. UG as well, about 6 years. Me, I'm 3 years. I think me and Nigel were both 3 years old, 3 years in. No, you were, yeah, they're overextended. I mean, I don't like it. Probably gonna be switching trends soon. Yeah. Jew has reached that really good buy side, but unless we, I don't know, react really well. Yeah, bro, you should join the Discord, bro. I think you would be, we could learn a lot from you since you're 6 years in and we can learn from each other. So if you want to join, just check the description. Because I feel like, yeah, just trying to gather as many friends as possible. So, yeah, it doesn't really look like it. Yeah, any other trades. This was it. Done, bro. I don't need more. How much was this? Like 4 pips? It's crazy. So I follow the markets here every day. Okay. But I feel like there's so many of us around the 3-year mark. I feel like there's a lot of us, which is nice because, yeah, it's nice. Michelle? Is it Michelle like... Oh, Mitchell. It's not Michelle, bro. Ah, it's Mitchell, yeah. After tracing this chat for a while now? Wait, what do you mean? I haven't seen you... I don't think I've seen you before until now. Maybe I'm tripping. But I don't know if I've seen you before until now. Oh, Sam. Welcome, Sam, to the Discord, bro. I'm glad to have you here, bro. I missed the home run on London session. What do you mean you missed? I don't know what this guy is. Again, I didn't see. This is probably... Isn't this like a Vietnamese or... Not Vietnamese, but Philippinese name? Some sort of like that, like your name. Didn't you catch it though? Yeah, welcome Sam, bro. I've seen you on stream. Welcome, bro. I don't know. Yeah, probably gonna take like a 5-minute break, just smoke. And then again, El Smoker, you're addicted, bro. Shut your bitch ass up, bro. Oh, Michigan. Oh. Yeah, bro, I do remember you, I think. Yeah, I do remember you, bro. Oh my god, I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, bro, I remember you. I actually do remember you. I know when we talked about America and we were looking at Oregon and some shit like that, and Michigan, yeah. Smoke. You had to do it, haven't you? Yeah, I do remember you now. I'm sorry, but now I remember. Hell, smoker, bro. Fuck you, bro. You be hating on me. Get off my dick. I do remember you now, bro. you guys need to be trying Romanian pancakes, bro. If you have been living all this time without trying Romanian pancakes, you have been living for nothing, bro. Yeah, it's like 3 a.m. in the US, 1 a.m. Oh, okay. Yeah, in America, I feel like, yeah, you probably need at least 5K to just like scrape by. I mean, 5K, I would say, it's when you really start getting comfortable. But we don't know. We're not from America. I'll probably play a bit. I mean, my session is over for a while now. I'm probably just gonna play Dying Light. We're not gonna be looking at anything. Gonna play some Dying Light just like for half an hour, and that's our London session. We're done in like we're done in like 10 minutes, anyways. But I'm curious if my game is gonna run decently on my fucking coffee machine. Yeah? Oh, okay. I didn't expect that shit. I think it's just a stereotype. I think, yeah, it's just a stereotype. Oh shit, wait a minute, let me make the sound less. I think it's just like rumors that you need 10K. I think, I don't know, we don't know. We're not from America, you know.
I got the power plant back online. The Baron was the one who shut it down. But why? What the hell is he up to?
Yeah, it is expensive though. L Gamer, bro, at least I'm not playing CS, bro. This is actually a fun game compared to CS, brother. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of lagging a bit, but I think we're chilling. Oh, this game is actually nice. The one game, that's why I enjoy single player games. I don't fucking enjoy multiplayer games anymore. Another thing is I don't long in queue. Oh yeah. I mean, we're gonna see, bro. I mean, it's everyone has their own way of seeing the market, so yeah. We don't have to agree on bias. Where am I going? Should I go here? The cable guy? Okay. Pardones. Yeah, this game is beautiful. Look at this shit, bro. I look at this shit, bro. How can you not enjoy single player games, bro? Yeah. I mean, he's in Bucharest, but yeah, I kind of live in the same country. Look at this shit, bro. Like, you cannot say this game is not nice. Look at this, man. Look at this shit. This is Europe. This is how beautiful Europe is. Cause yeah, this game is in Europe. I don't know exactly where, but it's the Alp. Bro, Tate doesn't in Cali? Yeah, bro. He's in Romania, bro. What do you guys say? Isn't he in Romania still? Yeah, me too, bro. We should go once, bro. We should like make. That's what I keep saying. We should make a meetup in like Vietnam or some shit, or Bali, or like these countries in that part of the world. I feel like they're very nice. Bro, this game is beautiful, bro. Except the part where you're killing zombies. Get the fuck up, bro. Shit. Me or who? For food and yeah. Yeah, I mean Vietnam is
Pietro,
very, I
I'm
mean,
here.
you did say
Approaching
very
that
cheap.
substation.
Copy that. The inside will be a mess. Fuses, cables, switches. Reset the system by connecting the conduit cable.
That's why I
to
feel
the
like
master
early in
socket.
our journey,
Master
as soon as we
socket.
cannot turn profitable, I would
Okay,
go
I'll
to a
take your word
country like
for it.
that and live for decent months there, I would say. Because it's so easy. I need some... Oh, I have no idea what this shit is. Don't wipe it with paper. Oh my, no way! I just fucking died, bro. Oh fuck you, bro. What the fuck? You're quick. You dead. What's that bitch ass? Get the fuck out my way, cuz. Get the fuck out my way, cuz. Andrew Tate is like, bruh, what is that comparison, bro? El Giggles? Bro, what do you mean, bro? You're a real fucking person. What do you mean El Giggles? I mean, I'm not approaching that big boy. Hell no, I'm not approaching that big boy. Look at this big boy. Until this guy's down, I ain't approaching. Yes, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Bye, bitch. Kinda lagged a bit, but... Never tried it? Yeah, because you guys have Vietnamese food in America. I don't think we even have that shit in Romania. Maybe in Bucharest, but... Get the fuck out of here, bitchy. Bitchy boy. Oh my, I'm wait, I don't have bandage. Why am I carrying here? I need bandages. Yeah, the queen. Yeah, I know, but we don't have that in Romania. I mean, you can taste Vietnamese food. I can't really. Let me put that. Where's that shit? This one. Bro. Why are these guys climbing here? What the fuck? What the fuck? Get the fuck out of here. You should have spread the show, bro. Dessert deep, you should use in crossbow climbing light pose. What the fuck are you saying, bro? You really think I'm getting what you're saying? You really think so? With a fucking grim reaper. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at this. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. I'm tired. Let me, oh no. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Yeah, his English is actually fucking good. You can't even tell, like, he doesn't even have the fucking Vietnamese accent. Let me load this bitches. What should I be doing here? I don't remember. Find a way to restore power. I can go study abroad, but when you actually know... Yeah, I mean, bro, Vietnam is pretty fucking cool. As you said, the only downside of Vietnam is that it's actually fucking hot. That's the only downside of Vietnam. I would actually live in America though, I'm not gonna lie. I would actually live in America. Maybe not like America, but like Canada I would definitely live, because Canada is fucking crazy, bro. Like the fucking views you get in Canada and the temperature is pretty nice. I study for Yeah, it's too. It's kind of heaven here. I feel like. Oh look, there's the power. Where the fuck did I climb there? Oh. Where's the... Oh, okay. Fuck. Yeah, Australia also, yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, it isn't, bro. Isn't like United States is different. Aren't there two countries? Yeah, I'd actually like, but depends where you stay, though. USA isn't it like Canada is America in America, but it's not in USA. Where am I tripping?
All right, Old
Because
Town should be
United
getting power
States of
now.
America and America are
Thanks for
different
taking care
things,
of me.
no? Where
That's
am
what
I
I do.
tripping?
There's still those other
I pick
substations,
one-handed
though.
axe. Let me take that
I'll
shit.
see what I can do, okay?
I'd like to give you something in return for your help. Come by to see me.
Taiwan is like trying to be a different country. Yeah, yeah. What am I doing now? Oh, that was the mission? Really? That's fucking lame. That's kinda lame. Well, I'm oh my god, I'm lagging. Whoa, why am I lagging like this? Yo, I feel like I would like British Columbia. I feel like it's very nice there, bro. But yeah, I wouldn't like live in the snow either. I would just live where it's like, I don't know, perfect, a perfect mix. But it's like taxes are fucking destroying you in Canada, not gonna lie. I don't know how big the taxes are on trading, but I've heard it's like, I don't know, a lot. And if you make a lot of money, giving 50% to the state is crazy work though. It's really crazy work. What the fuck do I do here? Where do I jump? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh shit, almost died. Different countries, but almost, yeah. Can I climb here? That's what I heard, like taxes are fucking destroying you in Canada. That's the only downside of Canada though. Like, as a country, I feel like it's very beautiful, bro. I feel like it's extremely beautiful. It's like a Switzerland, but like an American Switzerland. Yeah, I mean you have even in Romania, but bro, in Romania taxes are so small for like trading. It's only 10%. Just think about it. Everywhere in Canada it's like 3 months of warm weather. Yeah, I mean yeah, but I really prefer cold rather than just fine. I like cold more. But in Romania it's only 10% tax, bro, on profits, and you pay it yearly basically. 10% tax is extremely fucking small compared to other countries. You have to pay taxes for trading in US too, yeah. But how much percentage is the tax in the US? In Romania it's only 10%, which is fucking crazy. That's why I'm so grateful to live in Romania, bro. This shit is, yeah, shit is crazy. And you also can catch both sessions like without sacrificing
and I'm
sleep.
grateful. But I worry about sending our people out
50%,
there.
oh my
And
fucking
we can't make
god,
an enemy of the
bro.
Baron.
He's already our enemy.
That's crazy.
Without power, we might not survive here.
That's
but we
fucking
can't stand
crazy,
against
bro.
the Baron. He has an army.
We can. If we can get all the other survivors in the valley to
It is
stand
insane,
with
but I
us.
heard in Canada.
And
it's
how
probably
are we
the
going to
same.
do that?
How much is it in the
Everyone
States,
is
or
just
how much do
fighting
you
to
pay,
survive.
Mitchell?
I'm with Florence on this one, Crane. Open war with the Baron
for
would
just
be suicide.
existing. You pay half just by
So
existing.
we take our time, gather allies, keep an eye on what he's doing, learn what we can, get intel on him.
I like that idea.
But imagine it's like
I'm
15,
not so
20.
sure,
Yeah, that's
Jacob.
decent actually.
We should focus on
That's
rebuilding this
decent.
place.
It's close to Romania.
Especially now that the
That's
power's
actually
back on.
decent compared to fucking other
Why
countries.
can't we do both?
Imagine giving
Concentrate on
50%. Let's
rebuilding?
see. I'm just curious in Canada how much. Let's ask GBT. How much do you pay taxes if you're trading in Canada? Let's say CFDs. Frequent transactions. Business income. Canada doesn't have a fee. You said your are added to your total taxable income. 15 to 33%. Combined rates can exceed 50%, bro. That shit is fucking crazy. You pay roughly 12 to 20k depending on your income if classes capital gains. Oh my fucking god, it's still fucking huge, bro. Christian, I don't even know what that is.
And keep watch on the Baron. They know me, so I'm thinking you should send some rangers out to check on what his men are up to. Meanwhile, I'll help get this place up and running.
Fine. I'll send some patrols to keep an eye on the Baron's men.
Thank you, Sheriff.
Let me know what you find.
I don't even know what's happening. Let me add some skills. I'm probably gonna end it because yeah, I just want to enjoy the game. Gain a brief boost damage after reloading. Hell nah. What is this? Jump over staggered enemies. While running towards staggered enemies or an obstacle to vault and press to vault kick. I don't know if I want that shit. We're gonna get this. Learn how to craft a flamethrower. Nah. I'll probably get this. Football player? Oh.
Kyle, do you copy?
Completed? What the fuck pants you gave me? This one's? Melee oh. Yeah, these are better. I look like a fucking menace. Except these heads.
Yeah, what's up?
I was digging through some data and found the location of another Chimera test site.
Where's it at?
It says something about an old monument.
I mean,
The test
isn't
center is
like
outdated,
basketball?
but
Isn't
someone at
like
the town
basketball
hall
the
might know
most like
more.
famous?
It's worth asking.
Yeah.
And I'll see what I can find out.
Where do I sleep? I wanna sleep, bro.
for sure.
Let me get out. Here's probably where I sleep. Are there macros and yeah, there are macros in London session, but I cannot really say anything about macros since I don't really trade them. But macros I feel like usually are just I will explain. Just let me exit the game. Let me show you. I don't really recommend necessarily trading macros. It does depend to your style, but I've tried them. Not really it for me. For Nasdaq, I tried them at some point, and it worked decently. Yeah, in Romania, football is the biggest. Definitely the biggest. Macros are usually, so for example, 10 minutes before a certain hour, so 9:50 to like 10:10 in this case. So exactly where we entered, and then 10:50. Here, so it's usually like just 10 minutes before an hour and 10 minutes after. So like this 10:50 to like 11:10. This is our macro, and it's actually kind of crazy because we are kind of getting the bigger moves on in macros, and even like here we did get the move on macro. So yeah, it's just like yeah, I don't recommend playing cool. I don't play COD anymore. I haven't installed it, bro. And dying like that, I still enjoy it, so I don't care what you're saying, buddy. You be doing you. I don't recommend playing CS, but you're still playing CS. Fucking loser. I'm joking, bro. Or I'm not. Maybe I'm not. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the stream. I'm not gonna hold it much more. I'm just gonna chill. Probably gonna do some editing. I have a lot of editing to catch up on, so probably gonna do that. And yeah, just come back for New York. Today, in terms of news, we don't really have much. Yo, bro, we will come to US at some point. Yo, man. Yeah, man. Ah, is this you, bruh? Why you simping like that, bruddy? You be simping. You be simping, bruh. This you? It's kind of funny, bro. Shibao. Bro, you shut your bitch ass out, bro. You be simping, bro. The killzone timing. What do you mean? So for me, it's just 10-12. It's the first 2 hours of London session. That's, I mean, not always. I do trade. It depends. For me, I would recommend for you to trade London Open 2 hours into London Open. That's it. From London Open, 2 hours. That's your trading session. Sometimes I do be going a bit longer to like 30 more minutes, like this 2 hours and a half. But yeah, it does depend. I usually just trade the first 2 hours of London, and New York, kind of the same. I would say the only difference with New York is I trade 3 hours. Yeah, I'm not, bro. I'm not tough. Why would you simp, Brady? I'm just a no one. Like seriously, I'm really no one. Just a normal guy. Just a normal guy. Nothing special. That fucking takes 4 pip trades. That's the only thing special about me. Yeah, it's 2 hours. 2 hours into London. And 3 hours into New York. I would trade. Yeah, I usually trade like first 3 hours of New York. So meaning New York opens here. I trade until here, 6. Can you repeat? Good morning, bro. I trade. So I would say again. I would say at most 2 hours. First 2 hours and 30 minutes of London, and first 3 hours of New York. That's it. That's how I trade. From when to when. I mean, I cannot. It's my timing. I can tell you New York timing, or I can tell you my timing. So New York timing is 3 a.m., 5:30 a.m., and open is 8 a.m., 11 a.m. These are my timings. New York, I can give you in my timing as well if you want. For lunch. Nah, bro. Man cooked, bro. I don't really like. I live in a village, bro, where I don't even have places to go out for lunch. Bro, I live in a very small kind of city, but it's not really a city. It's just a village. I don't really have places to go out. I just most of the time I just eat at home. Or I do have places, but it's like 10-15 minutes drive to go eat. We have a really cool, like small. I don't know how to say in English. But it's a cool place like 15 kilometers away from here where we have pool, a very cool pool. And yeah, it's pretty cool. That's the kind of highlight of this area where I'm living. That pool and eating pizza and shit. Shit that's open for you though now. I mean, for me no. This is New York timing. For me, these are the timings for me. For me, it's 10 a.m., 12 a.m., and 5 or 3 p.m., 6 p.m. Like this is why it's so beneficial to live in Romania, because you're getting the hours. Yeah, small town. Yeah, town. Yeah, town is probably the word. That's why it's so beneficial to live in Romania, because this is perfect timing to wake up and like, I don't know, trade, and then like you trade again. New York, you get both sessions without sacrificing sleep. In America, you're pretty much like in the middle of the fucking night if you wanna trade. Yo, I love pizza, but not pineapple on pizza. Like, to be honest, I never even tried it. I've just been a hater without really trying it. To be honest, I've been a hater without trying it. Maybe I'll try it just because of you. Because yo, bro, you be saying pineapple on pizza fucking non-stop yesterday and today. You be really loving pineapple on pizza, bro. So I might try it. I might try it because of you. I mean, 12:30 here, not 12 a.m. But yeah, and for me it's like 11. Like it's still one hour in session. But yeah. Yeah, that's kind of annoying, to be honest. You really be. I mean, to you, for you, it's a bit more decent because you're living in the West Coast and it's only like 140. Pineapple cigarette. 140 is kind of better, but if you live like in New York, like that shit is crazy. Like wait, like 3 a.m. London Open. For you, I think it's 1 a.m. or 12 a.m. if I'm not tripping. But yeah, still way better than living on New York. Like in New York is gonna be crazy. And in Vietnam, I think it's 4 hours difference, meaning London Open is, wait, it's 14, 7, oh, 14, 16, 30, and 7, yeah, 19, 22. And this is actually pretty decent, but it's very like not lunchtime, but it's very like afternoon oriented in Vietnam, I think, no? Naija, isn't this your timing? Up to 2 p.m. London, 7 p.m. New York Open, 2 p.m. Yeah, but is it like the benefit? Like, I think actually Vietnam is the most, yeah, because you can trade 3 sessions. Yeah, that's probably the most beneficial part. You can trade 3 sessions. For me, I cannot trade Asia. Asia Open is 3 a.m. for me, meaning like New York. Meaning for you, it's 7 p.m. Yeah, it's 7 a.m. That's actually pretty fucking. It's cool in Vietnam, bro. Like, it's very cool. You can trade all sessions, and especially since you trade gold, it's really nice. It is kind of early, but yeah, I think Vietnam is probably the better because you catch all 3 sessions without really sacrificing sleep. Yeah, that is a blessing though, and especially since you trade gold, I feel like Asia is really required. For me, I would have to wake up how Americans wake up in the middle of the night. It's pretty much the same exact timing as Americans usually. Yeah, that's a blessing, to be honest. To get to trade Asia, yeah. I mean, you are in Asia, no? That's still kind of crazy for me to comprehend, but yeah, you are in Asia. Vietnam is in Asia, no? Or am I tripping? Is Vietnam communist? Communist? Yeah. Let's see maps. Yeah, because I cannot really open maps. But yeah, it's in Asia. Yo. Thank God I wasn't born Indian. To trade the US markets? Yeah. I mean, for me, for Vietnam is 19. Do you mean like in terms of timing, or what do you mean? I just wanted to make sure, bro. I just wanted to make sure. I be stupid sometimes, bro. Go learner, bro. I know. I actually know geography pretty well. Even if it doesn't look like it. You be studying L. Yeah. In terms of timing, it is easy for us to trade US. I mean, for me, it's pretty easy. I think for Vietnam, it's pretty easy. Yeah, for most of us, it's easy. But like in America, it's so fucking annoying. Because you basically, in proper sleep hours, you only get to trade New York session. That's what is kind of annoying. I was thinking. But what can you really do? You'll be really sacrificing sleep to trade London. But yeah, still crazy. Anyone love kebab? I do love kebab, bro. I be eating kebabs. Like finding a platform, yeah, bro. It's pretty, like it's easy. It's not hard. Bro, there's no way you're saying kebab with pineapple. You can't be serious, bro. You can't be serious. Yeah. You can't be fucking serious, bro. That you would eat like I think you're joking. Like there's no way you're serious at this point. If bro, if a Turkish guy would see you eat kebab with fucking pineapple, he would murder you. Like he would legitimately murder you. Tore your fingernails off. There is no fucking way. What do you mean, bro? You guys are be tripping, bro. On kebabs, bro? Like you're eating a fruit with fucking meat. Yo, he's Turkish. Oh, okay. Bro, this guy is hurting when he's seeing that you would eat kebab with pineapple, bro. Oh, yeah. I mean, you guys are serious, bro? I should try it, bro. There's no way. Or that there. Yeah. Juicy? He's my cousin. MSG, yeah. Assault. I don't know, bro. It looks like you guys are tripping, but I would not. I would try it first and then like say. Don't try it. Yeah, I mean with kebab, hell nah, bro. Hell nah. With pizza, yeah, I would try it, but with not fucking kebab, bro. Yeah, in Romanian pancake it should go well, but on kebab, hell fucking nah, bro. You guys be tripping. You guys are psychopaths, bro. I would do it with pizza, but not main foods, bro. We have a lot of foods. We have a very good meat. It's similar to kebab, but I actually ate this yesterday. It's probably the best fucking meat you're ever. It sounds sus, but bro, this is bussin', bro. This is so fucking bussin', bro. You guys, if you come to Romania, you need to try this shit. It's the most bussin' thing ever. Like you eat this with mustard and a fucking bread, and it's the best thing you ever fucking tried. It's similar to kebab, but it's not really kebab. My country saw in a sexual request, really, with meat. Yeah, with a pancake, yeah, but with meat, like, why the fuck would you eat like a fruit with meat? It's like eating an orange with this meat, bro. Like, there's no way you'd be trying that. And we have a lot. We have a lot of busing foods, but we have this is our classic busing foods. It's like a it's pretty bussin', even though it doesn't look that appetizing. It's like a cabbage wrap with meat inside. Yeah, he rage baiting, bro. I mean, maybe he's not. We don't know if Vietnamese is like that, bro. I even know Romanian foods. I don't even know. We have like soup. Yeah, well, yeah, bro. This is bussin'. This is like I actually ate this yesterday as well. This is like some fucking donut, some sort of donut. Yeah, like you guys be tripping, bro. You guys be tripping. I mean, especially you, Niger. You be tripping. You lame as hell, bro. Savory and smells good. Best tacos. Oh my god, bro, I want to try tacos, bro. Like in my country, I mean, in this area, we don't really have access to a lot of like foods, tacos, burritos. We don't have that shit, bro. Only like bigger cities. I would actually love a fucking burrito right now, or some tacos and shit. Yeah, look at this shit is busting, bro. Look at this shit, man. Fuck, I would eat that shit right now. I'd be busting with some lime and shit. Quesadillas, yeah, bro. I would eat Mexican food. I actually love spicy food. There's so much potential in Mexican food. Let's see. Quesadillas. What do you have? I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this it's nachos, or how the fuck is it called? And Texas barbecue, bro. Oh my god, I want Texas barbecue. Yeah, you be rage baiting, bro. Texas barbecue. I've been seeing some shit, bro. Yeah, bro. Imagine how good this brisket is and shit. Oh my fucking god, bro. The fuck is Checo Perez brisket? There's so many. I really thought it's gonna be some food. We don't have In-N-Out, bro. The In-N-Out burgers be looking fucking bussin'. Biryani. Yeah, biryani. Also Indian food, bro. There's so many food to try. Overrated? Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. It's Pakistani. Yeah, I heard about this. And also, like that Indian food. How the fuck is it called? Oh my god. Tikka masala, or how the fuck? Yeah, tikka masala. It's looking bussin', bro. My mom made this once, but of course it's not gonna be like, yeah. It's not gonna be the same. Yeah, and yeah, it's looking bussin'. You say? Okay. But bro, I would try an In-N-Out, or what do you even have, like American, like In-N-Out burgers be looking bussin' as hell, bro. Like American fast foods. Um, Wendy's, Popeyes. Oh my fucking god. Arby's. I also heard about that shit. But In-N-Out, I think, isn't there like one more like burger place that is popular? Chili's, Papa John's. Yeah, bro. Dunkin' Donuts. Why is Starbucks a fast food place though? I mean, you probably got sick of it, bro. Like, you waited so much at this point that you probably got sick of it. But for me, when I don't have access to that shit, yeah, I just want to try it. Yeah, but that burgers be looking busting. Like, you cannot argue with that. Look at this burger, bro, and animal style fries. I mean, yeah. Since you been there, like, yeah. For us, we don't have that good fast food. We only have like McDonald's and KFC. At least in my area. Dave's Chicken. I would eat some banger fried chicken, bro. Yeah, god damn, look at this shit, bro. How can you not get hungry looking at this shit, bro? Look at this. This looks fucking banging as fuck, bro. Of course, it's not healthy at all, but, bruh, look at these burgers, bro. And they, oh my fucking, my mouth is watering right now. Yeah, you've eaten too much. Oh my god, my mouth is so. Look at these burgers, bro. They look so fucking good, bro. Nah. Bro, we need to go to America, bro. Only to, I would just like, to be honest, I would go to America, just get fucking fried out of my head and just eat like this every single day. Bro, you really you wanna trade Nasdaq now? I mean, I wouldn't trade Nasdaq. Um, I wouldn't trade Nasdaq right now though. In this timing, we'll be looking still at these buys. We almost inverse, but it looks bearish for now. Look at this 50-minute gap rejection. Kind of looks bearish for now. God damn, I really want to go to America. Let me check one thing just out of curiosity. I mean, you cannot really even see that shit. Nasdaq 50-minute AVG. Let me delete that shit real quick. Long? Yeah, I would look at longs as well. It's not a bad idea. Gold is fucked. I mean, yeah. You still took a 1% today, bro, so. Yeah, bro. Everybody has their own way. If this is valid for you, Baran, or this is valid for you, take it. If this timing is okay, if the entry is okay, how overall, if it's checking your rules, take it. If not, no, don't take it. But for me, I actually like this buys, but I need to see. I would want to see price come back above here. But even like that, I don't trust this timing, not one bit. I don't really trust this timing at all. But yeah, you should watch it, see. If it's valid for you, take that shit, buddy. But it kind of looks bearish though. It kind of looks like it's inversing this shit right there. If you look at it. Yo. Bro, what the fuck, bro? What the fuckies? You know my problem is FOMO. I mean, yeah. I don't even know how I avoided FOMO. Just understanding that, I don't know, just waiting for my setup, to be honest, how I got rid of it. Just not really focusing on the money and focusing on getting what I want. And if I get what I want, I'm taking the trade. If it works out without me, it is what it is. Yeah. I mean, that's your confluence. Just wait for it, because that confluence that you just said right now is gonna really save you from a lot of losses on the long term. Even if now maybe price is gonna leave without you, on the long term, yeah. Potatoes? But what do you mean, bro? You're late. We talking about trading or not? You just eat bread or potatoes. Oh, I didn't see. Do you eat rice for meals in Romania? We eat bread mostly and potatoes. We also eat rice, but it's not as common as, yeah, it's not as common as potatoes and bread. It's mostly bread, like most of the people, bread and potatoes and rice from time to time. But it's not as common as in Asia, I would say. In Asia, how is it like? You generally eat rice like every day, or how is it like in Asia? Because I don't really know what my chart looks like. Okay. Let's see. Oh, my TP is gonna shred for further target? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Follow your R, brody. I don't know what this guy is. Do you guys know what this guy is? Rice every meal, breakfast. Really, bro? That often? Instead of, so you don't eat bread? Oh, really? So you don't eat bread, you just eat rice every day? US cash, this guy's entering US 100. US CFD. Don't mind the position top, not entering of that year. When you look at TPH silver, looks decent. Looks decent, but I wouldn't really be choosing US 100 though. Yeah. Looks decent. Looks decent. But are you sure? Yo. You're from Pakistan, elite, if I'm not mistaken. I might be mistaken because I'm still kind of struggling to, I don't know, keep track of, remember everyone. Assad was your name? Ahad, my bad. Not Assad, but I'm not sure. You're from Pakistan, right? Or I'm tripping. I might be tripping though. Dave's chicken, bro. This Dave's chicken will be looking buzzing as hell, bro. Yo, I don't know. We're probably gonna be in the stream. We definitely be a bounce on the US market, which you when markets open if you want. Yeah, from Pakistan, good. I remember properly then. Good thing I remembered. I really like to keep track of you all of you guys. 60% sure the trade took was long on gold. If you break even, but the trade still played out in the end. It just happens, bro. If you stick to your system, that's the only thing that matters. If you did the right choice, the PNL doesn't really matter. What matters is that you stick to your system or win break even because that's what your system was telling you when you didn't read. I mean, you said not. Yeah, this looks very fucking bearish for now. I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't trade it now. It looks very, very bearish. In cases like this, what I actually wait for most of the times to be trading buy is wait for a higher low, right? Wait for the higher low to form, and then when price starts breaking above again, that's when I would try and take the trade, because most of the times when we have a lot of bearish momentum, price will not hold the first entry, right? And it can just continue like this, and this be just a retracement. When really confluences go high or probabilities go high is when we get a higher low confirmed, and that confirms the proper trend switch, because here we didn't have a market structure shift, if that makes sense. Why do you think I don't know, I think you're talking to Baran, not me, so I'm not gonna say much. Yeah, I'm not touching it. Yeah, good job, bro. Just wait for price to close back above, I would say, if you want to take these buys. Yo, it doesn't look bad, but again, in this case, like for me, it's a rule. Every time I see a lot of bearish momentum or a strong range, I'm always waiting for the high lower to form before entering. It just really helps because it really avoids you getting in early, pretty much. And in this case, we also, as I said, we don't have a break of structure. We just kind of have an inversion, but even that is not fully complete. So yeah, that's what I would do here, though. Ooh, UJ ended up melting. Look how good that shit held, bro. Look how good that 15-minute gap held. And I did end up having good buys, but context was a bit iffy here, sadly. Context was a bit iffy. And kind of gross manipulation here. Oh, nice retest here of the inversion. Look at this shit. Look at price retesting this inversion. This could have been a decent trade, but we're just looking at for fun. I wouldn't trade this. Stop loss above the gap. What are we targeting? Probably this low. It looks very weak. Yeah, 2R on that shit. Yeah, easy shmoney. Easy shmoner. You mean yeah, I'm gonna wait till it sweeps that low. I know normally I would go off daily buys, but there isn't. So wait. I would go off daily, but there isn't. So right now, how it goes, I'm gonna wait. Okay. Bro, I think for now you're doing decent. I think you are doing the right things. I would say you're being patient, you're waiting for that close above. The only thing I would not recommend you is to not trade in London. Don't trade Nasdaq in London. It's very inconsistent. That's what I would recommend. But now you're doing exactly the right thing on waiting to price to come back and close above here, because that's the smartest choice to do here, and that shows discipline and patience. No matter how you feel, you know by doing this, you're preventing and filtering a potential risk. Yeah, it looks very bearish now. It looks very bearish. I'll probably just stay out anyways. I would stay out even with, yeah, just London timing. But in terms of an idea, you did a good job. Yeah, neither gold, and neither Nasdaq. I wouldn't trade it. Gold is shit in London. Most of the times it just manipulates. I feel like even right now, price would do this and then continue. So just don't do US indices in London, and don't do gold in London. That's what I would recommend. Just make it out. It's not worth it. Like the times a good setup is gonna form in London on Nasdaq is gonna be very inconsistent. Yeah, it is. It's very inconsistent. It's not worth the risk, right? It's not worth the risk to be trading these pairs in London. So just trade out of the bank, make it a rule for yourself. Don't trade Nasdaq in London. I traded it so many times. Why I'm saying this is because I traded it so many times and I got stopped out so many times by trying to trade Nasdaq in London. Then I just realized, okay, it's just not worth doing it. The same it is for me not to trade gold, because gold doesn't move accordingly to my strategy. So yeah, I would say you're doing a good job. Nice being patient here. You could have entered and risked it. Nah, bro, you don't give it a shot, bro. Just trust me on this one. You should just trust me on this one, because I learned it the hard way, and you can use my mistakes to learn from this. I would just, yeah, this looks extremely bearish. Just, it's better to avoid it. Learn from my mistakes. Don't go through the same things I learned. Just learn from them. It's not really worth it. I would say a good setup on Nasdaq happens 3 out of 10 times. Lately, it's been a bit more decent, but overall in the long term, not really. Not really. Look how it moves pretty small. It does have some moves, but they're very inconsistent. I wouldn't recommend it. Look at this. Look how London is here. Look how London is here. Look how London is. This is most of the times how London looks like. Yeah, do only New York. Only New York on US pairs, and on gold you can do Asia as well. On gold you can do Asia and New York. That's what I recommend. Actually, not just trading. Yeah, just wait for market open. This idea will still stay valid, though. Yeah, see, this is extremely fucking bearish. That's why I even said that waiting for the higher low. Why did I say like the higher low is really life changing? Because you just avoided a loss, and the fact that you stayed patient and waited for price to close above here just filtered you from a loss. This is the other side of the coin, when sometimes price is gonna leave without giving you the confluence that you want. But you gotta keep in your mind that on the long term, this confluence that you're waiting for is gonna is gonna save you from losses like this. You get what I mean? So yeah, looking very bearish right now on this retest on the 1 minute. Looking very bearish. It's probably gonna do massively lower, and this is the perfect example of that higher low as a precautionary measure to avoid this pretty much from happening and entering too early, because now price might come back and then react, or it might form the higher low and now start reacting, and you just avoided a loss. So yeah, that's what I would recommend. Don't trade, wait for good jobs, keep waiting for your confluence, and don't trade London on Nasdaq and US indices. Yeah, man, good job. That's a really good job. That's the thing you should celebrate today. Celebrate that you were patient, you stick to your rules, and you just avoided a loss, right? And even when price is gonna leave without you, right, on a trade like this, when you decided to wait for a retracement and price is gonna go to your TP without you, just keep celebrating the fact that you stick to your rules, because in the long term, that's what is gonna be more profitable than not. Yeah. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the stream. Thank you guys for being here, bro. I really love you guys, bro. You have no idea how much it means to me to just have someone to talk to while I'm fucking trading, bro. It means a lot. And the Discord has been growing. We be getting like a lot of people. Like it's fucking great, bro. It's fucking great. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like sometimes I'm living in a dream. From steak to celebrating, yeah. This was it for today. We took this dub. See you again on a consistent basis. Took my TP here. Could have looked to stretch, but look what happened after. Reversed. Bro, simping outro, I don't care, bro. I'm gonna simp because, yeah, it makes me happy. And it wouldn't happen without you, so. Yeah, bro. So, yo. Bro, shut the fuck up. Shut your bitch ass up, bro. I'm really trying to be grateful and shit, and you been fucking. You been flaming me for being grateful. Shut your bitch ass up, man. Okay, I'm gonna see you for New York, bro. I'm gonna see you there. We're gonna see what Nasdaq does in New York. Oh, shut your bitch ass up, man. Simping at his finest. Shut the fuck up. You were in my DM simping and shit, bro. You have no right to be writing these comments when you be simping. I think I force things and only look for what I want to. I mean, looking for what you want to is good, in a sense. Waiting for the market to give you the exact influences that you want to see to take that certain trade, that's good. But yeah, we're gonna talk. DM me, bro. DM me, Elite. If you DM me and just tell me what you've been going through, okay? Because I want to talk about you. We haven't talked in a while, so just DM me. No proof? Bro, shut your you deleted your message. Don't be a bitch, bro. It's all oh no proof? No proof, bro. Like, shut your bitch ass up, man. I'm gonna fucking screenshot this shit. Shut your bitch ass up, bro. No proof. Now you can delete your message and it's too weird. You can't do shit about it. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna see you in New York. I'm gonna take a small break. Hell fucking simper, bro. No proof it's you, bro? What do you mean? Is your name on Discord? Look at your name. Oh, yeah, no proof, bro. Debunked. Debunked. It's not you. No proof. Shut your bitch ass up, bruh. Yeah, revenge on your part, bro. Shut